Hi there, so I'm showing you around our 2014 SKODA Citigo in white. Just take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside and I'll point out any features along the way. So I'm at the front left quarter, daytime running lights. Nice, good condition, black wheels, black tyres, good tyres, all that stuff. Back left quarter. As you see, no major dents, scratches, anything like that. Passed an AA vehicle inspection, 12,000. The racing stripe for extra speed. I'll take you inside. So inside you've got your electric windows, FM radio, aux import and CD, traffic system, aircon, 49,000 miles on the clock, 5-speed manual gearbox, 12-volt power supply, USB port, cup holder. So fairly well equipped for just a little city car. Sporty cloth, grey and red seats. Pretty much sums it up. If you're interested in booking a viewing or have any further questions about the car, please give us a call on 07917 033 781. The car comes with a 1-year warranty, 1-year MOT, 1-year AA breakdown cover. The car can be found on our website, paylestercar.com. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care.